Make me sweat, make me water, make me lose my head, make me water, make me sweat, make me water. Oh God, welcome back to another reaction video, man, broskies and sisters. And if this is your first time here, let me officially welcome you to our channel. Over here, we react to funny comedy skits. We basically just have a nice time, chill, catch a good vibe. We don't do too much. We just laugh. You feel me? Or we finna laugh rather. Yes. I just had the song stuck in my head. I don't know why. I think I saw a picture, a video of Tyler. And then the song just like came into my head and shit. So I was like, make me sweat. Make me not actually. But yeah, man. It's another day for some cringe TikTok. I don't know. Yeah, like okay. I think this is what is going on. So I have there's like a section of you guys who like the cringe TikToks, and there's like another section who I mean the Nigerian section, because I also do like the Nigerian TikTok comedy videos and stuff. So we're gonna have like a Nigerian TikTok, cringe TikTok. I also have like the funny animal TikTok. Let me know what other TikTok videos you like to see so we can react to it, right? Okay, boom. Having said that, we're gonna go straight into the video without wasting much of our time. This is the cringe TikTok again. This is the third time. We might do more because the videos be going crazy. Okay, let's go straight into the video, guys.
I wish you would step back from that ledge, my friend.
Lord, I really like to sing. I can't believe I got it on the video.
I wish you would step back from that ledge, my friend. I wish you would step back from that ledge, my friend.
No way she's crying after doing that, bro. No way she's crying. I mean, her voice is okay. Is okay. It's nothing like But I can't believe she's crying though. But when sometimes if you know like a singer and you sing sometimes and you be like, wait, what? I didn't know I could do that. That's the moment right there.
Alright, listen up. I have a question for everyone here.
What? What is it?
Is cereal a soup? Raise your hand if you think so.
What?
What?
Is cereal a soup?
No. No.
No?
No.
Cereal soup? Oh, hey, Heather.
Everyone.
So no one thinks cereal's a soup. Why?
Because you have milk with cereal, not a
Chicken
watery broth.
Cereal does not have juice.
If you put milk before the cereal, you're a psychopath.
If you put milk before a cereal. Okay, I don't even eat cereals no more, bro. But when I used to, I think you put the cereal first. No, I think the right way should be you put the cereal first, right? And then you put the milk inside. But yeah, I don't know for people who. But I mean, wait, hold on though. What if you put the milk first and then you put the cereal? Not that it does change anything. You can do it both ways. Actually, I don't know why people be like so crazy about this. You can do it anyway. You can do it both ways.
Exactly.
But me, when I was eating cereals, I would put the cereal first, then I put the milk inside, then I put it in the oven. I actually meant to say the microwave, not the oven. My bad. Right? Yeah, I guess.
Yeah, that was actually gonna be the
Exactly.
that was actually gonna be the next question.
What the fuck?
Yeah, that's crazy. That's a very funny video. Cringe. What?
Baby, here, girl.
You crazy? Down, boy. Look at your glass face.
Why are you so serious?
I don't understand why she got a big ass chain around her neck. Like, is that? Oh, wait, she's a dog. Is that the reason with a dog chain? I don't get it. I don't get it. The only thing I don't get in the video why she had to have that chain, the big ass chain on. I don't get it. I don't know. She's weird. It's weird.
What? No. Not by you? I ain't
What the hell is going on with her lips, bro? Where is my lip balm? I almost said lip gloss. Where is it, bro? It's not here. Cause after seeing this, I feel like I need to like make after seeing that, I feel like I need to make my lips a little bit moist. Is that the right word? I can't even find that shit, bro. But damn, what is going on with your lips, though? Where do you live? Like, do you have water where you live? You need to drink at least water. You need to drink some water. Some water. You need some water. She needs some water. She needs some water, bro.
say that. No, you don't. To pay the rent.
Yeah, okay. Nah, the lips was
Hey,
just.
YouTube, today we're only drinking 30 milliliters of spit. Here we go.
Wait. Did he say spit? Like saliva, like spit.
The rent.
Hey, YouTube, today we're only drinking 30 milliliters of spit. Here we go.
What the fuck? What the bro? Man. I just had something to eat, you flipping doofus. What? Why would you do? Okay, now the other question in my head is that his spit or is that like a collective of spits from people? I don't even want to think about that shit, bro. I don't even want to think about that shit, bro. That's disgusting. You are the. Did he said spit, right? Please tell me in the comment section what you think he said, because I think I heard spit. I don't even want to follow my own spit no more, bro. Look. Swallow. Oh, you're disgusting. You're fucking disgusting. Oh, this was supposed to be the cringe video, not the fucking disgusting video, bro. Oh, hell nah, bro. Hell nah, bro. He should be slapped in the face, bro. Oh my god. That video fucked me up, bro. Completely fucked me up. Parents make out with their blindfolded children as prank at the high school. What is going on? What is going on? Is it wrong for parents to make out? Who asked this question? What kind of question is that? What kind of video am I reacting to today? Since I've started this channel, bro, I've never seen nothing like this before. I've never seen anything weird me out like this before, bro. Hence to my heart, I've never. You know what? It's cool. It's alright, bro. Don't trip now. Come on. It's just a video. They're not even kids. They're grown ups. They're grown. You know, if it was like, say, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years old kid, right? They wouldn't use the term make out. It would be just like kiss, right? Okay, boom, it's okay. You can, you know. But bro, they're grown adults, bro, and they're doing the whole French kiss and everything. No. I don't. He said she had luscious lips. Oh my God! Imagine being the doctor and hearing that, or the mom. Wait. Why did this? Why did this even happen? Oh my God! Her dad said she has luscious lips. Oh man! Oh man!
Who did it? Who did it? It was that guy. Who did it? That was the guy.
Oh shit! Oh yeah, you know what? I'm gonna keep my cool, bro. I'm gonna keep my cool. I won't say too much. I won't do too much. Oh, hold on. What did that sign say? I want to check what the sign reads. To to what? Yeah, I don't know what the sign says, but whatever. I have nothing against that video, bro. He's just having fun, so it's cool. I like to see people have fun, without intruding or like bothering other people. So it's cool. You can have your own fun. I like he's having fun. Life is fun. Life is easy. We just make life a little bit more difficult. So yeah, that was okay. What? Huh?
I got a his.
Grandma, what is you doing, Grandma? Wait. Hey, wait. Grandma, what the hell was that? First of all, real footage of me anytime an edit of a fictional character have heard it attachment to and that comes to my okay, whatever. That was too slow. Wait, Granny, what are you doing, Granny? What was that, Granny? I still didn't get it, but whatever. We saw it. But Granny, you freaky Granny. You freaky Granny. Oh, what?
I got
That's
a
crazy.
hysterectomy last year, and I kept my uterus, my cervix, and all my stuff. And I keep it on a jar on my bedside. There it is. And sometimes when I'm bored, I take them out, and I try to put it together like a puzzle. And when I tell people that, they're like, that's so weird. And I'm like, but it's my organs. So I literally just like hold it. And I'm like, I don't know, maybe that's my cervix. I'm like, puzzle time.
No. What is wrong with you people? What is wrong with you people? All right, first of all, I have no idea what that was or anything, but I understood it's something. It's her organ, something from her uterus and everything, and she kept it on her bedside for what? For what, Habibi? Tell me why, Habibi? Why? Why? You guys are weird. Is this what you guys like? This kind of cringe ass TikToks? Okay, I'm gonna keep them coming. Since you're like it, I will just keep flooding you guys with cringe TikToks.
Haircut Charlie, haircut Charlie, haircut Charlie. No, we're not gonna get a spooky haircut.
'cause it's Christmas time. Hey, jolly haircut time. Let's go get a cut right now and look like a reindeer. Hey, whoa.
Okay.
I have not seen myself yet.
Okay.
Yo, hey, yo.
There you go.
What's up? Who's that
Yeah.
handsome guy? I haven't seen that handsome guy in a while, baby. What's up? Hey. Alright, let's check it out. I literally have no idea what's on my head. Danny didn't let me see my haircut. Didn't get to see any of it. So let's check it. Let's check it. Ready? Jolly haircut. It's time for jolly haircuts. Jolly. I feel super jolly. Hey, yo.
I mean, so long
bet
she's
this
happy.
is really good. I have no idea what it looks like. Oh, we got Tony too. Tony looking fresh. We both looking fresh and jolly. Do you feel jolly? We'd love to see you. Oh, like always. Oh, let's get it. That's right, baby. Hey.
Yeah, okay, now guys don't even be acting like that. You doing too much. You was there and then you went. Phew. Guys don't be acting like that unless you were 40, unless you were a teenager. Yeah. But whatever, she's having fun. No. That isn't what she meant. She meant that wasn't what she meant, bro. When she said, "Guys, do your hair like this," and who the f are you to tell guys what kind of hairstyle they want to get? I'm a dark skin man. You think I'm gonna have my hair like that with fringes and shit? I got dreadlocks, man. Don't do that. Don't play with me. What, man? Talking about do your hair like this? He's in class, right? That's a school.
Only got 1 minute.
Oh, what the hell?
I'm the Balladeer.
Scaramucci's
Number
haircut.
6 of the Fatui Harbingers.
Okay. Heroes play by the rules. Feeling great. That is very true. Heroes play by the rules and villains break them. But there are some rules that are not supposed to be adhered to. There are some rules that needs to be broken, to be honest. So that means I'm a villain then. I mean, who wants to be a hero anyways? Hell nah. I'm a villain because I don't like certain rules that applies to the way our society functions. So yeah, if I had superpowers, bro, I would be Thanos. I would be Thanos, bro. Sheesh.
Go ahead.
What the hell?
Get treated like a dog and get treated like a bad dog, not a good dog. So I'm looking for a good home. It'll like me and pet me and be good to me.
That is someone's mom. That is someone's mom right there. What? A day in the life of a foreign exchange student from Japan back to America. All right.
I mean, good morning. Good morning. Oh, Shine! I mean, die. What do you think? You know we're just going to a cafe, right? Kawaii desu ne? I mean, yeah, you're right. I'll change.
So she's been colonized.
This is really good. Here, give me 1 second. I'll ask to see if we can get some more. Sumimasen. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I understand that. It be like it be like that sometimes. When I first moved to Germany, right? There were like some words that I forgot in English. So when I'm speaking English and there's a certain word that I want to say and then I forget, I just switch to German and I'd be like, can I have that's of German? Then it happens, bro. I understand. I understand. What is going on right now? Hey, that's cringe. Very, very cringe, bro. That's the last one. Okay, boom. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, bro. This might be my favorite. Not my favorite, bro. This is the one that really had me like, what the f is going on? Of all the cringe videos that I've done so far. So this one, yeah, this one was crazy, bro. I hope y'all enjoyed this one though, and I'll see you guys in the next video as usual. And have a nice day. Have a beautiful morning. Have a sound night. Whenever you see in this video, and see you guys on the next video. We out and bye bye. And if you're new here and you made it up to this point in the video, if you like what we do here and you want to be part of the family, you know what to do. You know what? And then yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.